Hey, stop before you scroll. Give me 2 minutes because I'm about to show you why everyone is launching their own AI school and why it's being called the smartest way to make money online in 2026. And more importantly, how you can run a complete digital school where human-like AI teachers take live classes for students with zero monthly fees. Over the past year, something unexpected happened in education. Online learning exploded into a multi-billion-dollar market, but the tools everyone was using, dead, boring, pre-recorded videos that students never finish. No teacher, no interaction, no one to actually explain anything. Until now. So what changed? AI teachers became real. Not robotic text on a screen. Human-like AI teachers that talk, explain, and take live classes, just like a real classroom. They teach math. They teach science, biology, geography, history, English, coding, any subject, in 30+ languages, 24/7, without ever getting tired. And here's why that's a game changer. Because a real teacher gives you something dead videos never could. Live explanations, instant answers to student questions, real engagement, real learning, which means students stay, students finish, and students pay. But here's the problem. To run a real school like this, you normally have to spend a fortune, $1,000 to hire teachers and tutors, $500 plus per month for course platforms and LMS tools, $1,000 for developers to build a school website, plus payment tools, quiz tools, and traffic costs. And it never stops. Every teacher, every tool, every month, more money out of your pocket. So even though AI teaching is powerful, running a real school becomes expensive and complicated. That's why we built something different, something smarter, something simpler, something that runs your entire school for you. Introducing AI School Builder, a complete digital school platform powered by human-like AI teachers that gives you AI teachers that take live classes in any subject, your own branded school, your logo, your domain built-in payments to collect monthly fees from students, automatic traffic, plus an SEO-friendly website, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another course tool. This is your complete AI school in a box. Here's what happens after you activate AI School Builder. You log in, you name your school, add your logo, and connect your domain. You pick your subjects, math, biology, geography, anything, and instantly, your human-like AI teacher starts taking live classes, explaining lessons, answering student questions, running quizzes and tests, tracking every student's progress, which means no hiring teachers, no paying salaries, no building anything from scratch, just a real working school ready to teach and ready to earn. And here's where it gets even better. AI School Builder doesn't just teach, it pays you. Built right in, you get student payment collection, Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and more integrated. Monthly subscriptions from every student. So you don't just run a school, you run a recurring income machine. Charge $20, $50, $100 a month per student. And with enough students, a single AI school can bring in $10,000 per month. And it practically fills itself with students because inside you also get an automatic traffic booster, an SEO-friendly school website built to rank on Google, which means free organic students coming to your school on autopilot, no expensive ads, no chasing students, no tech headaches, and yes, it's beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, no coding, no teaching degree, no complicated setup. If you can type a few words, you can launch a full AI school. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to run a school like this, you'd be paying every single month for teachers, tools, and platforms. But today, you don't have to. With AI School Builder, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no recurring fees. Activate it once, and the school is yours forever. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it. Launch your school. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So now, the decision is yours. Do you keep struggling with dead videos and expensive tools? Or do you launch your own AI school that teaches and pays you? If you're ready to, run a real school with live AI teachers. Brand it as your own with your logo and domain. Collect monthly payments from students, pull in free traffic on autopilot, and build toward $10K per month from a single school. Then click the button below, activate AI School Builder, and launch the smartest income-generating school available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, Just a powerful AI school working for you. Your move starts now.